Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your Redmi 12. So to do this we have to open the phone dialer at the first. Then we have to move for the contacts on the right bottom corner, select contact, and right now click on these three dots in the right upper corner. Right now click to set the ringtone. And right here we can pick the default sounds, sound recorder, our music. We can also store the file manager. I can recommend you to go for the first for the sounds. And as you can see right here, we can find all default sounds that you can find on this phone. But when you scroll down at the bottom, you can also add your custom ringtone. So let's click right here. And you can go, for example, for the file manager. And right here, you can locate your custom sound. You can select, and as you can see, you can just go back and click OK. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.